In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quick export in Photopea in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature when you want to save your design quickly without going through a bunch of extra menus. Whether you're exporting for social media, a thumbnail, or a graphic project, quick export can save you time and keep your workflow moving fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project inside Photopea and make sure the file you want to export is ready to go. Once everything looks good, you can trigger the quick export option using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and S on Windows. This shortcut opens the quick export window right away, so you don't have to manually dig through menus. If you're using Photopea regularly, learning this shortcut can really speed up your editing process. After the quick export window appears, you'll see options for naming your file and choosing the format. Go ahead and select your preferred name for the export, making sure it's easy to identify later. Then choose the file format you want to save in. This part is important because the format determines how your exported file will be used. For example, you may want a PNG for transparency, a JPG for smaller file size, or another supported format depending on your project. Once you've selected the name and format, review everything one more time to make sure it's correct. If the file name looks good and the format matches what you need, click Save. Photopea will then export the file using those settings and download it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully used Quick Export in Photopea. This is one of the fastest ways to get your work out of Photopea without slowing down your creative process. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for anyone who wants a quicker export workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.